So I'm out here at the Spartan, North Carolina in Fayetteville, getting ready to do the Super. And there's a lot of water obstacles that I'm going to be wet and muddy. I'm gonna have to tighten my shoes, but this should be fun. Hopefully I survive. I am not expecting to complete all of the obstacles. I guess I'm going to fail quite a few of them just because I have no idea what I'm doing. So we'll see. This will be fun. Hopefully I survive, camera survives, and maybe I'll come back and do this again. Watch your footing. You're gonna get muddy. I'll figure it out. Yeah. It's definitely a longer carry than I was expecting. Not in that one.
I'm sorry, I'll get that out.
If it weighs more than me.
I'm trying to put my back in.
Lower down with control. Do not slam the bag.
All right, now this is the scary part. Yep. Oh, that's terrible. Yeah. Yep. Thank you. Oh, it's a bit slimy there. Ooh, I almost lost that shoe.
Oh yeah.
I just did that, but I didn't turn the GoPro on. Shame. Yeah, I got it. I got the.
Oh yeah.
First try. Woo! Oh, bugger. Whew. Yeah, that's what I'm finding out. Oh boy, this is not the one I wanted to do. There we go. How the heck did you get over this? There we go. And now I gotta do this without falling. Posing for the camera. Well, if you can, might as well, right? Whew. Mile 5. We're almost there. We can do this. Almost did the split straight into there. Whew. Oh, that got deep. Oh, gross. That is gross. It's the dunk wall. God! Oh, my glasses. Once you get it up, oh yes! Whew. Oh gosh! Hey George and Matt, you guys made it. I lost my glasses in the dunk wall. Yeah. Keep pinching my fingers. Ow. Oh, bugger. That is slick.
Where's the point? That was slippery. That was the other way down.
This is way too slick. Yeah. I hate to fail too, but
Alright, cool with the green shirt. You're gonna smile when you get up here. Alright? You're gonna act like you're not tired. Alright, sir. You're gonna plant this thing. You're almost done. You're gonna look at one of those stairs and you're gonna smile and be excited. Alright, right here. Alright, dude. Smile right here, man.
I made it, finished. About an hour and a half, a little bit more. Now I had to do 2 penalties, the spear and the rope climb. So I did pretty good. I'm gonna change clothes and start the long drive back. It's been fun. Spartan Super is done.